Hey, how's it going? Welcome back. So today I've got my February kit lineup for you. So I'm going to be showing you everything that I'm going to be using in both my memory planner and my secondary pre-planner. So I'm going to start with my memory planner first. So this kit is Witching Hour from Sticky Essentials, and it's definitely a Halloween kit, but I thought the colors were very Valentine's Day, kind of vampy, and it works perfectly, in my opinion, for my anti-Valentine's Day aesthetic. So that is the kit. Oh my god, this full box I'm obsessed with, and I wanted to kind of spice my foil up with this a bit. So I'm going to be using this kind of like purpley magenta foil bundle with it. And I think that's going to be really pretty. I think it's going to pick up on all the pinks and purples really nicely. There you can kind of see the color a bit better. And then I think that the secondary or core foil, if you will, that I'm going to be using with this is Gold Hollow. I know that's not like a core foil, but I'm belligerent and I have a ton of foil rolls that I just foil everything myself with. So I think Gold Hollow will be really pretty with that. Okay, so for the second week of February, I've got Dead Inside by SPC, which is a repurchase for me. This is one of my all-time favorite kits. It is very much my aesthetic. I used it for Valentine's Day last year and I just needed to use it again in February this year. This is a kit that I will repurchase as long as she has it in shop. So that's the kit, and then the foil I'm going to be using is the Stars bundle in Sparkly Hollow from Caress Press. And then I'm pulling in some of the Bun Bun Paper Co. Star underlays in, I believe, her Shattered Hollow. Oh, also, let me grab this washi real quick. Hang on. Okay, I got this last year to use with this kit. This is from the Honeybee shop. So I'm going to be using that as well. It is such a perfect match. I don't know if she still has it, but y'all need it. So for the third week of February, I'm going to be using Till Death from SPC, which again very much fits my anti-Valentine's Day aesthetic. So I'm going to be using that with a mixed metal combo of sparkly red and dark purple. So I've got the sparkly red bundle from SPC, and then I have the Ink Therapy underlays from Plannahannah that I foiled myself in sparkly red, and then the Ooh La La underlays also from Plannahannah that I also foiled myself. I believe the color is Midnight Purple, but I know that Hannah does have a dark purple that's either this one or very similar to it in her shop. But her red is, I'm pretty sure it's just a regular red, not sparkly. So if you're not batshit like I am, you could definitely just get the purple and red from her shop. But I don't know, I don't like red unless it's sparkly, so you know, I had to commit. And then the last week of February is going to be my most traditional Valentine's Day kit, and that is the, what is this called? Sweethearts by SPC. And it's very traditional Valentine's Day colors, but kind of like a muted vintage vibe. So I'm going to be using the Lover underlays from Plannahannah. And again, I just foiled these myself. So any imperfections that you see, that's on me, not on Hannah. But I'm going to be doing a pink hollow and purple hollow. I'm not sure how well the color difference is going to pick up on camera, but they're super, super pretty. And I think that this pattern just works really well with this kit. And I think that the pink hollow and purple hollow are gonna pull out the colors really nicely in this kit. So that was everything for my main planner, or my memory planner, or whatever. All right, so moving on to my pre-planner, or my like secondary planner or whatever. Actually, this is so dumb of me, but I sat down the other day to film the spread for a true crime plan with me, and then I realized that I never actually ordered the fucking planner. Like, oh my god, that was such a big dumb bitch moment for me. But like, I guess I put it in the cart and then just forgot to check out, so my bad. But I did just order that, so that should be here within the next week or two, and then we can get the ball rolling on some true crime plan with me's again. But basically, for this year, I decided that I wanted to use my pre-planner for like basically anything that's not like a cut and dry plan with me. So like my true crime plan with me's and just like anything else basically is going to be in my pre-planner, and then like regular plan with me's are going to be in my memory planner. So yeah, that's kind of my thought process for my secondary planner. But yeah, so for the first week in that, I'm going to be using Blush Struck from Caress Press, which isn't really like a Valentine's Day kit, but I thought that the colors were really, really pretty for February. It's kind of like soft and romantic without being like lovey-dovey. So I actually have two foil options for this. I don't know what route I'm going to go yet. My first option is matte bronze from SPC. There you can kind of see what that would look like. And okay, this is where you're gonna be like, Domi, what the fuck is wrong with you? But okay. God, why am I exposing myself on the internet like this? But these are all of the like foil rolls that I have. I needed something to swatch them on, and I decided that I was over the circle, so I felt okay about sacrificing these stickers to the cause. But this color up here is called Almond, and that is the closest I could find to like a matte bronze. It's a little bit lighter, but I think it looks pretty good with the matte bronze. So if I were to do matte bronze with this, then I would foil all of the scripts and icons and everything in the almond color, just so that everything was like super cohesive. And then my second option is this like sparkly like rose gold hollow from Moonlight Paper Co. It's not like the best match, but I feel like it matches well enough, and it would be kind of like a little fun pop. So if I were to do that, then I think that the color I would pull in would either be like maybe gold or pink hollow. I'm not sure. So let me know what you think in the comments. Let me grab my pink hollow. There, you can kind of see what that would look like there. All right, so that was Blush Struck from Caress Press. All right, so for the second week, I'm going to be using the Paris kit from Sticky Essentials, and it's super cute, very bold, very, very bright. I got this last year and didn't end up using it, so I don't want to hoard it anymore, so I just figured I would go ahead and use it in my secondary planner. And I think it's really, really cute, and I love, love, love the black accents in this. For the underlays, I'm going to be using the Plannahannah Ooh La La underlays in silver, and then the Gossip Girl underlay is also in silver. I thought about doing like a silver and pink mixed metal with this, but ultimately I decided that with like the black elements that silver was just gonna look so clean and fresh. And like this art is, I wouldn't call it busy, but there's a lot going on, especially with like the bold colors and stuff. So I figured I would just keep it a little simple with the silver. And then for the next week, I'm going to be using the October mystery from Caress Press, which is called Self-Love. And this was going to be my Mother's Day kit. However, the December mystery from SPC, I think it was the December mystery, like the really pretty, like purpley blue spa day kind of one. I decided that I would much rather use that for Mother's Day. So I'm going to be using this in February instead. I think the colors are really pretty for February, and like the theme is really nice for February as well, in my opinion. And then I'm just going to be using the Glow Up foil bundle that came with it. It is in gold foil, and I don't really have any other kits that I would use this foil bundle with, so I figured I would just use it with this one. So finally, for the last week of February in my secondary planner, I'm going to be using Fall in Love from SPC, which is another very old Halloween kit, but I thought the colors and like the art were just really pretty and like, again, kind of soft and romantic without being lovey-dovey for February. And so yeah, I'm going to use that. It took me a lot of time to figure out what underlays to use with it, and ultimately I decided on the hands underlays from Plannahannah. It's not like a perfect match, but I think that it is still going to be really pretty. Alright, so that was everything for my kit lineup. My March one will be up, you know, around the first week of March or so, if everything comes in. I kind of just didn't really even start to think about my February lineup until a couple days ago, so that's why this is so late, so my bad. But March should be, you know, more on track. So yeah, thank you so much for hanging out today, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what kits you are using this month, and I hope to see you in the next one. Later.